Hey, Eric here from LED Grow Lights Depot. Today I'm going to unbox the AC Infinity SUNCORE T3 10-inch by 20.75-inch seedling heat mat with digital thermostat heat control. This mat is perfect for starting seeds of all types. And what makes this heat mat different from other heat mats? Well, it's really the temperature controller and the digital controller. You can see that this comes in beautiful packaging like all AC Infinity products. So, the first thing out of the box is a bag which contains the heat mat, the controller and outlet, and some manuals. Let's open up the bag and take a look at the heat mat. This mat has a heat range of 80 to 87 degrees Fahrenheit and draws up to 20 watts, and it's rated IP67. This dial is handy for adjusting the temperature instead of just turning the heat mat on and off via a wall timer or unplugging it to adjust the temperature. And now on to the controller 76. And here's the controller and the temp and humidity sensor. Let's open that first. This will plug into the bottom of the controller, and a quick look at the controller and outlet. Here's some manuals on operating the heat mat and controller, and of course, the famous Grow Guide. Alright, so let's get the heat mat connected to the outlet and I'll quickly show you the controller. So the heat mat plugs in like so, and again you can use the dial to adjust the temperature. The controller has a small learning curve, but it's quite simple to use. It contains several different modes. By pressing the mode button on the left, I can cycle through them. The first mode is off, followed by all on. There are high temp and low temp triggers, along with high and low humidity triggers. You can also set timers, cycle on or off, or it sets schedules. It's quite powerful. There are also some settings that can be changed, but I'll leave those as is for now. The cool thing about this digital controller is that you can use it independently of the mat, and you can use the mat independently of the controller. So if you just want to plug the mat into the wall directly, that's fine. And if you want to use the controller 76 to control other devices based on temp and humidity triggers, then that's fine too. Let's take a look at the AC Infinity app. So this device can be paired with Bluetooth via the AC Infinity app. To do this, open up the app after you download it, add a device, top right, smart outlets, controller 76, and let it pair. Just make sure you're in range. The new device is now added. You can pretty much control everything with the app, and it's so informing and just beautiful. Alright, so just moving along the bottom here, you can see that the data is being logged in real time. And this data includes temperature, humidity, VPD, and the distributions of such, and you can even download the data. The price of the T3 mat and Smart Outlet Controller 76 is $49.99. There are other mats of different sizes and prices, some with outlet controllers and some without, from AC Infinity. Check this mat out along with other AC Infinity heat mats and AC Infinity products at LED Grow Lights Depot. And if you haven't gotten your hands on an AC Infinity product yet, I highly recommend it. So like this video if you've used or are using AC Infinity products, and please subscribe to be in the know on all things LED grow lights and related content. See you guys soon.